Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. I hope previous video you have observed how to play tapping. So in this video we will see how we will increase the volume of the sound of a single note and again decrease it. So I will demonstrate. So how I'm doing, each note I'm making a more blow, the sound higher, then reduce the blow, then again I'm increasing the volume. So again you listen it. So if you practice this, then your waving will be perfect. Now I'm showing you in 4 notes. So each note will be round and round and round. Da. So it's that circle. If you can do this, your finger practice and your ear practice will be improved if you do so. Another things I'm going for the next topic. So one kind of practice next. See, it is like a ball is dropping from a little distance. It will drop. It will not coming to the same height, right? Tuck, tuck, tuck. It will go little down and then it will stop it. So like that. No. If you practice then punch this two previous one and this one. Now I'm showing. I hope you understood what I'm trying to say. Please practice this. If you have any questions or doubt, you can let me know. I will help you with another video. Okay, that much is for today. Bye bye.